All right, this is an extremely quick tutorial. So I made a really quick, just a sketch. And so from here, I am going to make sure I have snapping turned on over here. And what I like to do is just make copies. I always copy, this is my original layer. So I'm going to make 4 copies of this. And then I am going to make sure I have the first one. And then I'm going to move this down. And you see there's some lines that show up. So I'm waiting for them to be blue. And then, so I'm just moving this, making sure that I'm getting all my blue lines where it's in the middle. I think that's it. And my last one. All right, and then this is my original layer. I'm just going to hide this out of the way. All right, so hopefully that should work. And so now it's basically showing me the edges, and now I can go and combine these. Oops. I can merge these into one layer and then draw directly on here, or I could make a new layer. However you want. And now this would be a repeating pattern.